Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two internet provider system, which is VERIZON and Spectrum. So let's dive into it. VERIZON offer two main internet options, which is VEOS Vibe and 5G Home Internet. VEOS deliver blazing fast systematic speed up to 2.3 Gbps with top-tier reliability, making it perfect for streaming, gaming, and heavy uploads. The 5G home plan is cheaper and contract-free, but performance can vary depending on signal strength and coverage in your area. Verizon's pricing is generally competitive for the speed offered, though the availability is limited compared to cable. Spectrum, on the other hand, use cable internet with speed up to 1 Gbps download. Though uploads are much slower, it's widely available in more areas and doesn't require contract, making it a flexible choice for many households, while cable can slow during peak hours. Spectrum offer a consistent performance for most users and can be bundled with TV or mobile service. And here's a better conclusion. Verizon Fails is the best choice if available, but Spectrum is the most accessible option nationwide. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.